Hey everyone, welcome back to the Lightning Brains channel. Today, we're diving into the world of car audio with a focus on underseat subwoofers. These compact subwoofers are perfect for adding powerful bass to your vehicle's audio system without sacrificing valuable space. With so many options available, finding the best underseat subwoofer can be challenging. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a daily commuter, or simply looking to enhance your driving experience, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be unveiling the top 6 best underseat subwoofers that deliver exceptional sound quality and performance. Our criteria include bass output, compactness, ease of installation, additional features, and affordability. Links to all the featured underseat subwoofers are conveniently provided in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Let's crank up the bass and elevate your car audio experience with these top picks. Number 6, Sound Storm Laboratories LOPRO10. The Sound Storm Laboratory LOPRO10 is a 10-inch underseat subwoofer designed to enhance your car audio experience with powerful bass and a sleek, compact design. It features a 1200 watts max power handling and 600 watts RMS power handling, ensuring robust performance. The subwoofer includes both high and low-level inputs, providing flexibility for integration with any standard factory or aftermarket source unit. The LOPRO10 is equipped with a single 4-ohm voice coil and uses a MOSFET power supply, which offers efficient and reliable operation. Its built-in protection circuits guard against thermal overload, short circuits, and other potential issues, providing peace of mind. The phase control feature allows for precise adjustments to ensure all audio signals are synchronized for optimal sound quality. Additionally, the subsonic filter and variable low-pass filter let you fine-tune the bass frequencies to your preference. With the included remote subwoofer control, you can easily adjust the bass levels on the go. The LOPRO10 also boasts a variable bass boost feature, allowing you to enhance the low bass to your liking. This subwoofer is designed to deliver deep, powerful bass while fitting neatly under your seat, making it an excellent addition to any car audio system for those who crave a high-quality, immersive listening experience. Number 5, Rockville SS10P. The Rockville SS10P is a 10-inch 800 watts slim underseat subwoofer designed to provide powerful bass without taking up much space in your vehicle. This all-in-one subwoofer solution features a built-in amplifier for clean and simple installation. The enclosure is only 3 inches thick, making it easy to fit under your seat, and it is made out of cast aluminum to stay cool even in tight spaces. The SS10P includes high-level inputs, allowing installation with either aftermarket or factory systems, and a smart turn-on circuit that activates the amplifier when an audio signal is detected. All inputs and outputs are conveniently located on one side for easier wiring. With 800 watts of peak power and 200 watts RMS, the SS10P offers great control over your sound with adjustable volume, low-pass crossover filter, phase control, input sensitivity, and bass boost. A metal remote bass knob is included for quick subwoofer volume adjustments from your dash. Rockville has been a leader in underseat subwoofers for years, ensuring that this model delivers excellent sound quality. The subwoofer also features thermal, short, and overload protection circuits, as well as soft delayed remote turn-on and a built-in subsonic filter. The phase switch allows for 0 or 180 degree adjustments, and the low-pass filter ranges from 50 Hz to 180 Hz with a bass boost of 0 to 12 decibels at 45 Hz. The SS10P is equipped with a PWM MOSFET power supply and heavy-duty mounting feet, making it a reliable and powerful addition to any car or truck audio system. Number 4, Seventour ST800. The Seventour ST800 is a 10-inch 800 watts slim underseat subwoofer designed to provide powerful bass in a compact form for cars and trucks. This active-powered subwoofer features a unique spider speaker protector and an eye-catching LED ambient light ring, making it both stylish and functional. The dynamic blue LED halo adds a cool effect, especially at night, lighting up when the car starts. With gain, bass boost, and crossover controls, you can easily customize the sound to your preference. It supports both high and low-level inputs, making it compatible with a wide range of car audio systems and head units. The ST800 includes thermal, short, and overload protection circuits to ensure reliable performance and longevity. The green power and red protect LEDs indicate the subwoofer's status, adding an extra layer of convenience. With 800 watts of peak power and 220 watts RMS, the ST800 delivers robust sound quality. Its low-pass filter ranges from 50 Hz to 150 Hz, while the bass boost can be adjusted from 0 to 12 decibels. The frequency response of 20 Hz to 500 Hz ensures deep, rich bass, and the signal-to-noise ratio of over 90 decibels guarantees clear audio. Despite its powerful performance, the subwoofer is only 2.7 inches thick, making it easy to install under most seats. The compact dimensions of 13.9 inches in length and 10.2 inches in width make it a perfect fit for vehicles with limited space. With the Seventour ST800, you get an exceptional audio experience without compromising on space or style. style. Number 3. Pioneer TS WX130DA. The Pioneer TS WX130DA is a compact underseat subwoofer that packs a powerful punch with its built-in 160-watt Class D amplifier. Designed to fit in tight spaces, it measures just 11 inches by 7 7/8 inches with a height of only 2 3/4 inches, making it easy to install under seats, behind seats, or in small storage compartments. The aluminum cone and specially designed acoustic suspension enclosure work together to deliver deep, powerful bass without sacrificing space. Digital bass control offers 2 selectable listening modes, deep and dynamic, allowing you to customize the sound to your preference and optimize performance for different musical styles and vehicle types. The included wired remote control makes it simple to adjust the gain, low-pass filter, phase, and bass mode. This subwoofer's versatility is further enhanced by its ability to accept both high speaker line input and low RCA line input signals, making it compatible with both aftermarket and factory-fitted stereos. The TS WX130DA's robust build includes a fully covered steel mesh grille, ensuring durability and protection for the components inside. Whether you're looking to enhance your daily commute or enjoy a powerful audio experience on the go, the Pioneer TS WX130DA delivers exceptional performance and installation flexibility, making it an ideal addition to any vehicle audio system. With its compact design and impressive sound capabilities, this subwoofer ensures you don't have to compromise on space to enjoy high-quality bass. Number 2. Kicker 46 HS10. The Kicker 46 HS10 is a compact underseat subwoofer that packs a powerful punch with its 10-inch size and robust all-aluminum frame. Designed to deliver deep bass, it features FIT Plus technology, which allows it to accept input signals from 0.25 volts to 40 volts, making it compatible with most vehicles, including those with start-stop systems. The included remote control lets you adjust the bass level without altering the main volume, ensuring you get the perfect sound mix at any volume. The HS10 is equipped with an adjustable low-pass crossover, a variable +6 decibel bass boost, a phase switch, and 2 auto turn-on options, giving you flexibility in how you set it up. Slightly taller than the HS8 model, the HS10 offers more power and impact. Installation is straightforward with the Quick Connect Molex plug-in harness, which includes power, signal, and remote turn-on connections. It supports both high and low-level inputs, allowing for easy integration with factory or aftermarket head units. With a frequency response of 25 to 120 Hz and RMS power of 180 watts, the HS10 provides a rich, immersive audio experience. The package also includes a remote bass control for on-the-fly adjustments. This subwoofer is ideal for those who want to enhance their vehicle's audio system without sacrificing space or ease of use. The Kicker 46 HS10 is built to last, backed by a 1-year warranty when purchased from an authorized dealer. Number 1. Alpine PWE-S8. The Alpine PWE-S8 underseat subwoofer is a compact yet powerful solution for adding deep, accurate bass to your vehicle's sound system without taking up much space. This amplified subwoofer system features an 8-inch high-excursion subwoofer and a built-in 240-watt amplifier, delivering strong bass output and enhancing your overall listening experience. With a shallow mount design, the PWE-S8 is just 3 inches deep, 13.5 inches wide, and 9 inches tall, making it ideal for installation under or behind the seat of a pickup truck, in a sedan trunk, or in the hatch of an SUV. The subwoofer's rugged cast metal construction ensures durability and performance, even in tight installation spots. The side panel offers easy access to RCA and auto-sensing speaker inputs, as well as controls for phase, gain, and low-pass crossover, providing greater flexibility during installation. A wired remote-level knob with a 15-foot cable allows you to control the bass level from the driver's seat. The PWE-S8's frequency response ranges from 25 to 152 Hz, and it has a power handling capability of 120 watts RMS and 240 watts peak power. Whether you're looking to boost your sound system for an immersive audio experience or simply want to enjoy deep, clear bass, the Alpine PWE-S8 underseat subwoofer is a reliable and compact option that delivers impressive performance and easy installation. So that's it for the best underseat subwoofers of this year. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to receive notifications of our latest videos. Thanks for watching.